Mkhwanazi wazivumela ngokwakhe ukuthi wababulala laba besifazane, kodwa ubelokhu ekuphika ukuthi wabadlwengula. Lesi sigameko senzeka phakathi kukaMbasa noMfumfu ka-2022. Ijaji lithe kukhona ubufakazi bokuthi wabadlwengula laba besifazane ngaphambi kokuthi ababulale.
I find that the accused did unlawfully have sexual intercourse with all the deceased. I further find that the accused did unlawfully and intentionally defeat and or obstruct the course of justice by concealing the bodies of the deceased.
Umbuso uthi-ke ububhekene necala elinzima.
The state is happy. It was tough to get DNA. We know how it goes in the country. We have a backlog, but thank God everything was going smooth, go quickly.
Uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi NPA luthi ubufakazi obekuphambi kwenkantolo beqine kakhulu.
We welcome the guilty verdict as the NPA. It is a reflection of the seriousness of the criminal justice system in combating gender-based violence and also in ensuring that the perpetrators of these reprehensible crimes are held accountable for their actions.
Ubaba kaSifiso ubengabanye bofakazi kuleli cala kanti kunemibuzo ngokungaphenywa kwakhe.
Ubaba uyekelweni ngoba nginebelieve ukuthi nobaba bekumele aboshwe because indawo yakhe kungaboshwa umfana kuphela.
Mkhwanazi uzogwetshwa mhla ziyisishiyagalombili kuNhlaba.